Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with thinning or damaged hair, you're not alone. Finding the right products to restore strength and volume can feel like an endless quest. Today we're exploring Nioxin System Kit 4, an all-in-one solution designed to cleanse, condition, and treat your scalp for thicker, healthier hair. But does it live up to its promises? Let's break it down. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Nioxin System Kit 4 is specifically designed for those with damaged, thin, or chemically treated hair. The kit includes a shampoo, conditioner, and a deep protective density mask, aimed at improving hair thickness and reducing breakage. It promises to cleanse the scalp, strengthen hair from the roots, and prevent further damage, while helping to restore vitality to over-processed locks. The star ingredient here is the Nioxin Scalp Access Delivery System, which is known for optimizing the health of the scalp and improving hair quality over time. The citrus-infused scent of the products gives a fresh, invigorating experience without being overpowering. The kit is intended for adult use and is ideal for individuals with chemically treated or thinning hair. Now, let's talk about how this system performs in real-world testing. Incorporating the Nioxin kit into my routine was easy, and I immediately noticed how refreshing the citrus scent was. Definitely a perk. The shampoo gently foamed and effectively cleansed my scalp without stripping it dry. It felt like it was purifying while maintaining hydration. The conditioner was lightweight but still rich enough to provide moisture without weighing my hair down, and it left my hair feeling soft but full of body. The star of the show, though, is the Deep Protect Density Mask. After applying it for the recommended 5 to 10 minutes, I could instantly feel a difference in the texture of my hair. It was smoother, with a noticeable reduction in breakage. After using the mask a few times, my hair also felt stronger and looked visibly fuller. Exactly what you need if you're dealing with thinning or damaged strands. In terms of pros, this system is packed with targeted ingredients that address hair thinning at the root level. It's easy to use, and the products all complement each other, giving your hair the nourishment it needs. The scent is uplifting and energizing, and the Deep Protect Density Mask is a solid performer when it comes to reducing breakage. I also love that it's a 3-month supply, which is great value for money if you're in it for the long haul. On the flip side, the system may not be ideal for everyone. If you have sensitive skin or scalp conditions, you might find the active ingredients a bit strong, so I'd recommend doing a patch test before fully committing. Also, while the shampoo and conditioner are fantastic for adding volume, they might not be enough for those with extremely hair, as they focus more on strengthening rather than heavy moisturization. Now, the all-important value for money. Considering this is a 3-month supply, I think it's reasonably priced for a targeted hair care system. It's not the cheapest option out there, but when you look at the specific needs it addresses, especially thinning or chemically damaged hair, the price feels justified. That being said, if you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, products like OGX Biotin and Collagen Shampoo or the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Hair and Scalp Treatment offer similar benefits at a lower price point. However, Nioxin's formula is specifically crafted for a more intensive treatment, so it may be worth the investment for long-term results. When it comes to build quality, Nioxin has nailed it with the packaging. The bottles are sturdy and the pumps are easy to use, making the application process simple and mess-free. The entire kit is designed to last, and I can tell that the products have been formulated for longevity. After a few weeks of use, my hair still feels as nourished as it did on day one. If you've used Nioxin before, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. To wrap it up, Nioxin System Kit 4 offers solid results, particularly if you're dealing with thinning or damaged hair from chemical treatments. Its gentle, yet effective approach to scalp health and hair strengthening is what sets it apart. While it might not be the cheapest option on the shelf, the long-term benefits make it well worth considering if you're serious about improving hair thickness and strength. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested, I've left a link to purchase this product in the description box below. Be sure to share your experience with Nioxin in the comments if you've tried it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a Beautyistic review. Stay beautiful inside and out.